Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your Gmail account, your Gmail app is not opening and this crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just go to channel section and it's going to the software update and it's update the latest iOS version into iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just find iPhone, sorry, just tap on that and scroll it down and just find Gmail. Just scroll it down and just find it. If you find it, just tap on that. So I'm gonna find that the Gmail. I think it's here, but I cannot see. Just wait. I think it's not here. After that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset icon. Just tap on that and just tap on reset the network setting from here. After that, just we go to the VPN management cycle and make sure that you just not disconnect with the VPN, not connect with any VPN. So many users facing issue because they connect with any VPN, so that's why their Gmail app is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going back and just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection before going to the Gmail app, and that is the main reason you just connect with any VPN. So that's why your Gmail app is not working properly and crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.